Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create wedding invitations on Canva. You can create a wedding invitation from scratch by using a custom size, and then you can just explore to how you like it. But here through this video, I'm going to show you the easier way, which are using the Canva template. So what you need to do is just click on the search column at the top and then just type in wedding invitation as the keyword. And then you can just hit on enter. So now Canva templates will show you over 20,000 templates that you can use for this wedding invitation. But if you are only on Canva free, then you can only choose the free one. So just choose the one that you like for your wedding. For example, here I'm going to just use this simple one. This one's right here. Oh, there's also a video, so you can just choose which one. If you want to use video, you can just choose the one in the video format. But if you want to only create an image, you can just also choose the image. So for example, I'm going to use this one with a photo on it. You can just click on the template and then tap on this customize the template, and then the wedding invitation template will be open in a new tab. So here, after it has been opened, you can now just make some changes into the template. For example, here I'm going to change the name of the bride and groom. Like this. You can also delete the part that you don't want. For example, I'm going to delete this one's right here. And then I'm going to change the date in here. And of course, the photo. So you can upload your photo, but here, since this is just an example, I'm going to just find one uh, on the Canva. Let's just find the free one, of course. I'm going to use this one's right here. You can delete this and then replace it with your photo. I'm going to make it smaller and crop it. Okay, I'm going to put it in here just like this, and then I'm going to replace the other ones. Okay, I'm going to add this photos right here and delete this. Let's resize the photo again. Okay, so after you edit all of the elements and photos and everything, if you want to save it, you can just click on share and then tap on download, or you can also add your partner in here so that they can have access also to this invitation and edit the invitation also. So that's how you can create wedding invitations on Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.